The Naples Metro is the metro system serving the city of Naples, Italy. The system comprises 3 underground rapid transit lines, Line 1, Line 6 and the Naples-Aversa Metro. Construction of the first underground metro railway, Line 1, began in 1986 and the first part opened on 28 March 1993. Although progress had been made from the earliest setbacks and problems, it was still apparent by 1997 that the network suffered badly from the lack of network integration and poor connections, as well as the fact that large areas of Naples were not close to stations. In 1997 the city government drew up a new Piano Comunale dei Trasporti di Napoli, city transport plan, which called for a review of the network, improved controls over maintenance expenditure and general finances, a new tariff control system and better management of the urban rail network of Naples. The plan called for 70% of Neapolitans to be living within 500 meters of a transport access point by 2011. Azienda Napolitana Mobilità S.p.A. is currently responsible for the transport services and maintenance of Line 1, Line 6, pedestrian subways and the funicular railways Chiaia, Mergellina and Monte Santo. The Naples Metro currently operates on 3 lines, Line 1, Line 6, Naples-Aversa Metro, rolling stock on Line 1, Irema Metro Napoli and 1 on Line 6, T67 on Naples-Aversa Metro Breda M100. Number of stations is 26. Annual ridership is 46 million of passengers. Total system length is 20.2 kilometers.